This video shows how to use the Blue Sky Bio Quattro Safety Stop Drill Kit. The drills in this kit are color-coded for length and width. The colored line on top indicates the diameter of the drill, while the colored line below indicates the length. For this example, a 4.1 mm diameter by 10 mm long Quattro implant has been chosen. A flap is raised and the alveolar bone is exposed. The initial osteotomy is made with a 2.2 mm diameter by 10 mm long stop drill with copious irrigation. The stop portion will prevent advancement beyond 10 mm deep. The recommended speed is 800 to 1200 RPMs. The next drill is the 2.8 mm wide by 10 mm long drill. The osteotomy is finalized with the 3.5 mm wide by 10 mm long stop drill. If the bone is soft, then you can skip the final drill and proceed directly to the placement of the 4.1 mm by 10 mm Quattro implant. The aggressive threads, self-tapping, and tapered features will allow the implant to compress the bone and create good primary stability. A ratchet driver is then used to insert the implant with a maximum torque of 70 Newton centimeters.